What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Goodwill. Let's head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. Alright, in the glass case, there's a whole bunch of game guides right here. Ooh, I see Pokemon right back there. They're they're $3 each, but this random Skylanders one is $20, so it looks like maybe they're all individually priced. I'm gonna see if that Skylanders one is actually worth $20. Probably not. Let's see how much the Pokemon ones are. Come around here, and $10 on that one, $8 and $10. All right, we'll grab them. We'll look them up. Let's see what we got. We have Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, black and white, and another black and white. So let's see if these were worth it. Alright guys, I don't know who they have pricing these things, but they're definitely high. Take a look at this one right here, this Dragon Quest. $30, that's crazy. This Batman Arkham City that has there's like mold all over it. I don't even know. $15. Let's see if we can see that. $15. Pop the price up. It's like half the price on Amazon. Probably in better condition. So yeah, that's a shame. But even though all the other ones were too highly priced, this Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire at I think $8 at $10 is worth it. So yeah, we're gonna grab this one. Why not? I'm coming around to the rest of the books over here, and I see a couple bins. I haven't seen these in a while. Normally, they just haven't really been putting stuff out during the day when I'm here. So this is all new stuff. Stuff that hopefully people haven't gone through. So maybe it'd be worth it for me to take a couple minutes and scan through some of this. What was that? Oh, just National Book Award winners. Sometimes they have little stickers that say they're autographed. I don't think that's one of them. What do we have over here? Yeah, I don't think any of this stuff's gonna be good. Flavors of St. Augustine Historic Cookbook. I don't know. But I will scan through this, and if I find anything, you guys will see. This is why I don't just stand and scan these types of books. I was just scanning everything. Nothing in here. Nothing in there. Alright, so the electronics section's been kind of weak the past few times I've come. So let's see if today it's a little better. What do we have right here? A little cassette recorder. It is a Radio Shack one. Don't love the brand. And it's also missing the power cord, so I'll put that back. No problemo. What else do we have over here? Anything looking interesting? To me, definitely not. Oh, that's kind of interesting. A Blu-ray 3D player. You don't see those too often. $12, but I think green is half off, so it's only $6. There's the green. Yep, $6. Alright, that's cool. Maybe I'll look into this. Samsung, great brand. Could be a nice little find. And what else do we have? What is this? Margarita to go, frozen beverage maker. Now, if you ever find those big Margaritaville blenders, they sell really, really well. And maybe this has the same sort of theme, so it might. I doubt it, but we're gonna look this up. Also, I'll pop the price up here, see if it was worth it or not. I honestly have no idea. If I had to guess, I'd say no, but you never know. So maybe I'm wrong. So I know I didn't pop up the price on this because I am restricted. I cannot even sell this item. It doesn't look like anybody can because it has a really, really high rank, meaning it hasn't sold in a really long time. Nobody's on the listing. And it does have okay reviews, I guess. 3.5 stars isn't the best. So I wouldn't sell it anyways, but I can't. So we'll leave it. I almost forgot. I gotta look up the Samsung 3D Blu-ray. Let's see if this one's worth it. Alright, so looking it up, here it is on Amazon. It only sells for $67, so you'd make $51 before shipping, and I don't have a remote. I always like to sell these with a remote, so I mean, after shipping, what you pay for it, what you buy the remote for, I don't even know if it works. Not enough profit there. We're gonna leave it behind. Oh, you guys want to see something pretty cool? Dragonlance. These are pretty cool books at $1 each. There's a whole bunch of them. Some lots of these go really well if you have like 3 of the same set. I don't know if I do, but I think at $1 each, you could definitely build a couple lots here. This is sweet. I think I'm gonna grab these. Why not? So I did a quick look at the VHS tape wall, which is always fun, and found a nice little stack of stuff right here. You guys can take a look at the kind of stuff that I usually pick up. It's it's usually pretty worth it. This Alvin and the Chipmunks, a Chipmunk Christmas. The price is okay right now. I think it'll go up around Christmas. I mean, we're in the middle of summer, so I'll just send it in and wait, and I'll have a sale on that. I'm not too worried. Another Alvin and the Chipmunks. So I guess Alvin and the Chipmunks VHS tapes tend to do pretty well this Halloween, so probably sell closer sooner than the other one. Pretty awesome. This one surprised me. A Goofy movie has some kind of hidden value, and they're all also only $1, so not bad. I love when they're 50 cents, but $1's still good. And then this one, surprisingly high value. Discover Spot. Pretty sweet. I remember watching Spot when I was a kid. Do you guys remember Spot at all?
Hello, Spot, Spot, hello.
Hello, Spot.
Happy little puppy, always on the go. Hello, Spot, wait for me. I want to come along and see the things you see.
I don't know. I loved it. I already looked through to make sure they were all in good shape. The tapes themselves, sometimes they get mold on them, so you want to be careful. But these tapes are all in really good, clean shape. The outside, not so much. They're not in terrible shape, but that one has a little bit of wear. Nothing too crazy. I thought this was cool. Surprisingly, it's not worth anything. Has anybody seen this? Siegfried and Roy, Masters of the Impossible. I have no idea. This looks wild. Maybe I get it and watch it. I don't know. I don't need it. I do. I have so much stuff. But it's really cool. But these 4 are definitely going to go in the cart. Guys, look what I found over here on the shelf. This Wizard of Oz Collector's Edition Monopoly for $5. It's complete in here. It is fully in here. All the little pieces, all the property things. I'll pop the price up. Take a look at this. Selling for like what, $70, $80? That is absolutely insane for a $5 purchase. Nice, the day is getting better. We're gonna keep looking. All right, taking a look at the media, we found a nice little stack of stuff right here. I'll just pop up some quick prices. We have Sin Eater DVD, brand new sealed, pretty sweet. And now these are all $2 each. A couple are $1 because they're half price, less than $0. I saw a young Robert Downey Jr. Never seen this before, looked it up. Worth it, that's cool. Jason and the Argonauts, I thought this was like an animated thing, but I looked on the back and the CGI looked wild, so I had to look it up, and yeah, it was worth it. Pretty cool. We have another sealed thing, and now all these stickers on here, I will peel them all off. I use the Scotty peeler, which I have things like that linked below in my description, all the like little tools and stuff I use, but it helps get these things up, and if it leaves any sticky residue, I just use some Goo Gone, and I'm able to get all the stickers off. Here we go, we have a young Dana Carvey right here, clean slate. This one's used, but it's still worth it. She's beautiful when she's angry, brand new sealed, not bad. They were originally asking 50 cents at probably a little tag sale or something. Goodwill's asking 2, but it's half off, only 1, because it's green, so that's cool. This was interesting. We Are Family, a musical message with all these different cartoon characters. This one's only $1, so yeah, that's definitely worth it. And the last thing is Army Wives, complete 4th season. It's brand new sealed in there. Just got to get that sticker off, not too bad. We'll take it. Another really cool thing I found in here is this whole set of Bill Nye the Science Guy DVDs at $1 each. There they are. Some of these go really well. I'll pop like a price of a random one up here. They sell great. I've sold them before, so I knew they'd be worth it, and at $1 each, it's a no-brainer. All right, walking down a little random aisle here. A whole bunch of pennants. But these are like newer. I think they're from Target probably. Yeah, Target. Whenever you see these white little tags right here, they're just Target clearance items. They're asking $2, so Target was probably asking $4. And yeah, not going to be worth anything. They're cool looking though, but we got to keep... Ooh, what do we have up here? I was going to say we have to keep moving, but we have a sealed Ravensburger puzzle for $3. This might have some value. Let's scan it in. Alright, so I just scanned it in with the Amazon seller app. That's what I use to look up all my Amazon prices. Here it is. Great rank, selling super fast for only $9. So even though it's only $3, we'd only make $1.69. Not worth it. We gotta put it back on the shelf. There it goes. Alright guys, so I just bought one of these rock tumblers at a Savers, I believe for $5 and a couple videos ago, and they're asking $20 at this Goodwill, which that's a high ask. You scan it into Amazon and it sells for $36, so you'd only make $23 after fees. Not worth it. But I opened it up And this thing is beat on the inside. The box is all ripped up. I won't open it up again, but super used. The one I got at Savers was brand new, so I had no issues there. But a used one for 20, it'll probably sit here a little while, especially in the condition it's in, which is sad. If this was like $3, I'd snag it no problem and clean it up, but at 20, gotta leave it. Here we go, taking a look at the toy wall, and hiding up here is a board game. Oh, it's a creepy one. Ouija. Oh, have you guys ever used one of these? I have not. It's $5. Let's see if it's worth anything. All right, so we're gonna scan it in with the Amazon Seller app. All right, we have the app opened up. We're gonna take a picture of the barcode. And they're asking $5 on it. Oh, I don't think anybody's on the listing. We'll click in and take a look. Okay, here we go. So the rank's not terrible, selling for over $50. Might be a little high, maybe it's closer to 40, who knows, but at $5, we're gonna grab this. Should I play with it first? You guys let me know. I don't think I will. I think I'm gonna be a little baby about it, but we'll stick it in the cart. All right, guys, I'm checking out the glass case, and I see this right here, Vintage Toys, $100. Let's see what's in here. Not a lot of toys. Maybe there's some good stuff. We have a green goblin. How vintage is he? Does he have a year on him anywhere? Don't see one. Okay, what about this guy right here? Not sure what he's from. Does have a year. 1994 Playmate Toys. Okay, so that is vintage. We have here a troll guy. Again, not really sure what he's from. Doesn't have a... Oh yeah, it does. 1987. 87 Tech Flex. Or Telepix. Never heard of him. What else is in here? This weird guy. From... doesn't have a year. Oh, here we go. Here's a cool Dracula. From what year? Doesn't say. It's cool looking though. You could always use Google Lens to look up some of these guys. This is really cool. Ghostbusters? Yeah. Ectoplasm. Looks like a piece of him broke off. Yeah, it snapped. That's a shame. This guy's all rubber banded up. I don't know if... Oh, I just heard a piece break off there. Okay, yeah, no, these are not in great shape. What's this guy? It's kind of cool looking. He's got some pen on him though. I don't see the $100 in here. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe some of these are really valuable and I am missing out on something. What do you guys think? Oh, this is 1996. I'll try and look up the oldest one, this guy, see if he's worth anything, and maybe I don't know, one of these random guys with Google Lens, and see if I can find anything out. But $100 just doesn't seem worth it, I don't think. Alright, so the first guy I looked up right here, I took a little picture of him and found out he's 1987 Silverhawks hardware, I think. And he's supposed to come with this little green prowler, but brand new he sells for $150. Just his little prowler thing sells for $30. $215, and oh, here we go. Here he is outside the package for $150. Oh my gosh. There he is, just the character for $30. $175 with the character. Oh, this one sold for $95, just him. Okay, so it seems like mine's cool because he has the bag. Is that little bird in the bag? It doesn't sound like it. Maybe it's in here, but if we can find a little green bird for this guy pays for the whole box, so it'd be worth it. Let's see if we can find a little green birdie. Alright, so the little green bird thing is not in here. I looked up some of these skeleton guys and the green goblin, not really worth too much. But this guy is from Crash Bandicoot. I did not know that. Dr. Engine. He's supposed to have a whole speed racer thing and a rocket that goes into his head. There is the complete set right there. $150. Holy moly. Mine just has the gun. He doesn't have the rocket. He doesn't have the speed racer thing. There he is with the rocket, sold for $58, but that was months ago. I don't think they're actually going for that, because here he is, sold for $58 with everything, $65 with everything, so $46 best offer with the ship. My guy, maybe like $25 to $30, maybe $35 on the high end. So at $100, still I'm not seeing it. If it was $50, I'd probably take the gamble, maybe on half off day. I'm going to try and take a picture of this guy. Even though he's broken, he might be worth a lot. I have no idea. So I'll show you guys what I do. I open up Google Lens, the app, and you can take pictures, and it'll find exactly what you're looking for. So let's try it. Let's take a picture of this right here. There we go, it found him. And yeah, doesn't sell for much looking at it. Maybe here he is on eBay for 34. Let's visit. And of course mine's broken. Yeah, $31.99 with free shipping. And mine's broken. So not great. Not great at all. Have to put him back. Yeah, it's a shame I really don't see it. We'll try this last guy right here. See if he's worth anything. We'll use Google Lens again. Alright, let's get a picture of him right here. There we go. And, oh wow. He could be good. Let's see. Let's check eBay. Sold for 30 there in Australia. Slightly different version though. Here he is, Legend SharkMan. That looks just like him. Let's visit eBay. Somebody's selling him for $5 plus $4 shipping. Yeah, no, not good. We'll have to put it back. Can't drop $100 on this. It's just sadly too much. If it was 50, it'd probably be worth it. All right, the cart is looking great. My watch stand's looking wild. But yeah, we got some cool things in here. I'm pretty stoked about it. Some cool games, lots of movies, some interesting books. I think they'll do well. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all, subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.